now Python Flask for part 2. So I will entering into the pgadmin. So initial stage which will ask for the master password. So I will set the master password as Postgres. So I will press OK. So now the complete pgadmin, the portal was open. Click on server. I will type the Postgres server password. So Postgres. So press OK. So now it's connected with my database. Please verify the database named as Postgres. Automatically username Postgres, password Postgres, and database also Postgres. Now I will click on query to verify the pgadmin IDE. Yes, IDE works fine. Now I can create a table. So create table student. Inside that ID primary ID something called as integer primary underscore key primary key comma name string of 10 varchar of 10 sorry of 10. So I will execute that query. Successfully table was created. So I will verify the table. So DESC student sorry. So select star from student. Yes, I will execute the query. Yes, entire things works fine. So initially I will create just a sample table for student, but it's not required for mine. I will create another table automatically which created via SQL Alchemy. So now I will clear entire things. So yes, fine. Now I will open a command prompt. So I will open a command prompt. Yes. So new command prompt which will open. I will create a directory. So cd / entering into C colon. I will create a new directory mkdir for complete CRUD activity. So I will name it as Flask or CRUD activity. Enter. So cd Flask CRUD enter. So I will install 3 basic packages for Python. Python was already installed in my machine. So there is no need for installing Python. If your machine not comprising of Python, just Google it Python and then download and install. Now 3 packages are needed. So pip install the first package named as Flask. So yes, second package which is named as pip install psy copg psy copg 2-binary. This package you choose to establish a connection between Python and my Postgres. So install the second package. So please wait for a few more seconds. Yes, installation was completed. So the last package which is called as pip install the last package for Flask. Flask SQL Alchemy. SQL Alchemy. So the 3 required packages was installed. Wait for a few more seconds. So whatever packages needed, all those packages were installed. 3 packages: Flask, then PSYCOPG to binary, then last one for Flask SQL Alchemy. So all those three required packages are installed. Now start the basic program. I will open a notepad. I will maximize it. If needed, I will change the font size for user view. I will increase the font size into 18. Then now I will type the basic program. So from Flask package, I will import the package class called as Flask, comma, the method called as request, comma, the method called as JSONify. So I will install one class as well as two methods from the package called as Flask. Then similar way I will from Flask underscore SQL Alchemy ALCHEMY SQL Alchemy import SQL Alchemy Flask underscore SQL Alchemy import SQL Alchemy. Then I will install the entire things. So the two packages were imported. Now I will type app, which is equal to Flask of underscore name underscore. The same procedure. So then I will type if underscore name underscore which is equal to double quotes underscore main underscore. So colon. So you will start the method. So app dot run of buck equal to true. So I will type the same. So entire package was ready. Now inside the same, I will configure my SQL Alchemy to Postgres database. So app.config square brackets, open a single quotes. Inside that you will type SQL Alchemy underscore database underscore URI, uniform resource indicator, uniform resource identifier. So which is equal to, you will type in single quotes PostgreSQL Postgres query language colon double slash username as Postgres colon password as Postgres localhost colon the port number 5432 slash the database name Postgres single quotes. So configuration was ready. Now you will type db equal to SQL Alchemy of your app. So db equal to SQL Alchemy of app. So now I will create a class. The name of the class is item. So this is the name of the table. So inside that db.model colon. Inside the class I will create three columns. So the first column is id, which is equal to db.column db.type as integer, comma primary underscore key, which is equal to true. So this is for first column. Then second column I will name it as title, which is equal to db.column. Inside that db.string of size 80, comma unique. It's a unique field. So unique equal to true, comma